Hi, I'm Manasvi. I'm 19 years old and I have been journaling for almost 8 years now. And if there is one habit that have changed the way I see the life, it's this. And here's why you should start documenting your life too. So the first point is because life is about the small moments. It's not about the big celebrations and birthdays. It's about the random Tuesdays, So when you document your life, you have the access to your small moments of your life, the random conversations, the late night talks, the songs you listen to, the recipes you made, just the books you were reading, just the small things, The second point is to see how much you have changed and to remember. तो जर्नल स्पेशली आपके लिए एक टाइम मशीन होने वाला है व्हेन यू विल बी 40 एंड व्हेन यू विल बी रीडिंग बैक द एंट्री व्हेन यू वर 15 years old, when you were 20 years old, then you will get the nostalgia, and trust me, you will, the 40-year-old you will be thankful that you have given your memories a home. So और जब हम लाइफ जी रहे होते हैं when we are in present, we can't see the difference. We don't realize that we are growing up. But when we look at the past, we realize that how much we have changed. And to see the change, to have the proof that yes, I have grown up, yes, I have built a personality, yes, I have lost that phase when I was not mentally well, you will be happy about it. You will remember that when you were 16 this was your favorite movie, when you were 17 this was your favorite song, when you were 18 this was your favorite color, and how you have changed, how you have lost and grown and personalized different versions of yourself. The third point is you are the main character of your own story. So when you're journaling, it's about you. At this point, जब हम लोग दूसरों की लाइफ एनालाइज करने में इतना बिजी हैं, we forget that our own life is unfolding, and journaling gives your emotions, your raw feelings a space. It's letting out your perspective to the universe that this is how I think, this is my life. So journaling makes you the main character of your own life. The fourth part is because it's your own little world, and this is my favorite part because when I am journaling, when I am writing, it's just my story. I can change my perspectives, I can change my opinions, and no one is gonna judge me. और पता है, growing up we have always been judged. In school we have grades, in work we have expectations, in social media we have likes and comments, but when we're journaling we have nobody to judge us, and you don't need to follow any pattern. You don't need to, you don't have any rules or regulation. Like you can write long entries, you can just write one sentence and that's it. You can track, you can make a habit tracker, you can junk journal when you stick some things and stuff to your paper. I have, in the last 8 years, I have experimented so much in my journal that, and this will make you creative. In this diary, I can show you, there are just random stuff. It's not, because it's my world, so I don't follow any regulations. So there is calendar, there is tracker, then there is these drawings of ideas that एकदम randomly मेरे दिमाग में, there are script and vision board के ideas, then there are again calendar, and these are verses of Gita, and there are poems, and then there are long entries and there are drawings and sketches. And last time I painted a really horrible painting, but it's my diary, it's my little world. I will make horrible paintings. And the fifth and the last point is it helps you understand what you think. It helps you to get down the weight of your thoughts. Sometimes our thoughts become so messy. हमारे इतने मिक्स थॉट्स आ रहे होते हैं कि हमें पता नहीं होता है कि हम एक्चुअली में चाहते क्या हैं. बट राइटिंग इट डाउन एंड देन रीडिंग इट विल मेक यू रियलाइज दैट वॉट यू वॉन्ट. एंड एक पता नहीं कोट है या फिर ये लॉ है या फिर कोई थ्योरी है, बट इट्स जस्ट रियल दैट व्हेन यू राइट डाउन योर प्रॉब्लम्स हाफ ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम इज ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ड. क्योंकि हाफ ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम इज just figuring out what your problem really is. वो थोड़ा preposition construction इधर उधर हो जाता है. पता है जब मैं sentence formation कर रही होती हूँ ना, it's not part of what I wanted to tell you, but जब मैं sentence formation कर रही हूँ ना तो I have वो jumble words नहीं होते, so I just have jumble words in my mind and I am just arranging them into a sentence. And I am 19 but I still don't know how to form sentences, but it's just weird. But yeah, क्योंकि हमारे मिक्स थॉट्स होते हैं तो क्योंकि हम उनको लिख देते हैं एंड देन व्हेन यू रीड इट योर प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व्ड. यू नो व्हाट यू वांट. और एक सिस्टमेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन है कि आपने क्या लिखा, आप क्या सोचते हो, तो इट विल जस्ट लाइटन अप योर वेट दैट यू आर कैरिंग. एंड प्लस this is the bonus point which I have not written but I have just realized about journaling, that it will help you to represent, to express what you want. और ये आपके लाइफ के हर पॉइंट में काम आने वाला है, बिकॉज जब आपके पास आइडियाज़ हैं, प्लान्स हैं, बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू एग्जीक्यूट इट, यू डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस इट, it's going to be a total, it's not going to be a total waste, but it will not matter until and unless you can put it all together into a practical form, right? So journaling will help you do that. it will ये आपकी social skills को अच्छा सुधारेगा, communication skills को सुधारेगा, क्योंकि you know how to express. So these were the points, the thoughts, the reasons why you should start journaling from my side. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you get at least itna sa motivation to just buy a little cute diary and start writing. And thanks for watching. Bye.